Hapdang ke jingkan thok ke banang jur halor ke jingmut bandon ke jingpen kelai ke kunhun menteri hapok ke ketem jong ke seng partai ke seng UDP hapok ke sorka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA2 menteri ke kabinet minister jong ke sorka jelau berdiri UMLE ke kliriat konstituensi ubak kermen shela ulakran syai ba unom artatin ban penlat ya ke syuki menteri jongu Resign da ke Jingkmen Lada ja ba ke parti ke nong yalam bah khamat ki ibit ban aya karai ban Jied Da Uwei pat u cabinet minister na keseng UDP. Habakran syakilat pathai khobor ba kermen shela ulaong ngan priang da ke jingkmen bat kamon sngoba ya kano ke jingterwa jong keseng ban risanya ke syuki. Bat ngan artatin watang shi second ro bat plilat ya ki weipat ban shimti ya ke syuki ke jonga Henry nadu bangasdang hakakam sengsan partai ru ngalong kumbang ngalong mentaru hadu kine kisngi dei nakamar ka seng UDP hi.
If the party asks you to quit, means from cabinet portfolio, are you ready? Because since you were elected, you have been the minister continuously.
Happily and willingly, I will accept the any proposal of our party. Happily and willingly. I will not say or hesitate to even a single minute. So it will not take me to take a decision and to accept it, because I value the proposal or any steps to be taken by our party. We value it. I am here what I am today because the party's blessing is there. So I value that. So no doubt, we work together, as have been mentioned last time, that we are brothers. All of us, the 12 MLAs of the UDP, we are like brothers. We work together, and any steps we take with the understanding of all the 12, and even our party men too.
But there are information coming that some of the UDP MLAs are not happy with the party leadership, and there are rumblings within the UDP. How far?
That I doubt. But since nobody has come and discussed that with us, so we cannot accept that. If there is any grievances, the platform is open. Our president, he's very open, and he give us a platform, and he call many meetings in between. And if we have any grievances, he give us the chance also to discuss, not only publicly, even privately also. You can come and discuss with him directly.